Hello, good morning. Pupuntahan na naman kami. Yes.
Mayu.
Yes. No? Let's go?
Yes.
Pupunta nga na kami. Hindi na akong video kasi alam niyo na, pupunta na kami. Kauna-unang alis namin sa winter season. Make some video on this. God no. It's my first time to be here. Ganda din. There's a lot of flowers. Oh.
The first time you've been here.
Ayan.
We've been here with you before, but
I never been here.
yeah, we've been.
Maybe it's a different girl.
No, I didn't have any different girl.
I-
The only one girl I ever.
Oh. Ganda here. Ang ganda-ganda. The houses is so different too. I feel like in a different country. We are here. Kung may naririnig kayo, that's already waterfall, which means too much water. Oh, ganda.
Oh. Whoa. Is that a pond?
Oh, little one. A lot of water, yeah?
Yeah.
We're going to Cleland National Park. Gully.
What's that?
Waterfall Gully pala siya.
Waterfall Gully?
Aha. Dito lang nga.
I need drones here.
It's so cool. You see that? It's pretty cute. Ada. Ang sarap ng agos ng tubig. Ang ganda oh. Then there's a restaurant at the top. It was before. Ganda ng restaurant at the top oh. Sobrang lamig lang. 8 degrees here right now and it's already
I found four waterfalls.
it's already 1:31 and it's
Remember
so
where I'm
so
putting
cold.
the keys, where my wallet.
Oh! Five!
Wow, look at that. It's so pretty. Look at that.
Six!
Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda niya.
Okay, give me out.
Ang ganda.
That's a big one right there.
It's nice to be here. Ang ganda. Ang lamig lang talaga. You already see how pretty it is. Oh my goodness.
I see the big one.
Look at the water. I love the God's creation talaga.
Careful, Mama.
Wow, ang ganda. I'm gonna go. It's so emotional. It's so pretty.
Oh, let's go up there.
I don't know. It's so pretty. Ang ganda-ganda kasi niya.
Oh, lying down.
Ang ganda kasi. Tingnan nyo naman, guys.
That's a big one. Wow. I found six waterfalls.
Ganda-ganda, oh.
Watching that still here.
No.
So something here, I think.
There's another one in there. So pretty here.
That one is the big one.
Uh-huh.
I have to go there or no?
Is it pretty?
I have to go there or no?
Yeah.
Yes? Can we go there?
I don't want to go this thing though.
There's no road in there.
Mama, we go there.
pretty here that I got so emotional kasi gusto kong makita ng mga families ko. This is waterfall, Gully. If you're gonna be here in Adelaide winter, please visit here. It's very worth it to visit. And I got so emotional because it's so pretty. Look at the sun. Ang ganda talaga niya, guys. Is it heavy for you? Heavy daw sa kanya. Bawasan natin kasi may tubig eh. We will go. Do you need to turn around?
We're gonna
Here you
go that way.
Ganda. Ganda talaga. Be careful!
No, you're not be careful.
I am! I like this one. I'm saying this tree. What's this tree? Meron din silang waiting shed dito. Diba? Ang ganda dito. Tapos punta ka dito siya. Balik tayo sa kabila kasi mali yung pinuntahan natin. Ang ganda. Doon na naman tayo. Doon tayo kanina. Oh, doon tayo kanina. Ang ganda. Medyo malamig lang talaga. I would say I appreciate the view right on the other side than this. Feels like this one is like a tourist spot. Maingay lang pero ang ganda ng agos ng tubig. Ang ganda. Lalo na pag nagsa-shine yung sun sa water.
Oh, there's one.
I know, right? So pretty.
I see 8 waterfalls. High. Super high.
Am I gonna get wet?
No.
Pa-close tayo doon sa isa.
Oh,
Sarap! Yeah, I know. Be careful. It's wet, Pin. May mist siyang dala. Wow!
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
So pretty here.
there's a bottom. Whoa. Oh,
Wala naman paano doon, no? Pataas. Tapos, may paganyan siya. Ang ganda. Parang nasa ibang bansa.
oh, there's the bridge right there.
No. So pretty, no? Hi, Pin. Are you tired now?
It's so high
Yeah, I know.
and steep.
And steep.
Yes.
I don't want high too. Yeah?
Oh, there's one.
Look, they went there. Oh. Look at the kids.
Huh?
Look at the kids there. This is the one. Hagit lang, guys. Mama, maganday.
From the beginning. So far.
I mean, it's okay if I'm walking, but it's not that steep. How many you see? I see 1, 2,
Nice.
9 already. Oh, good job. Ang maganda dito sa Australia, most of the tourist spots may mga ganito. So makaka-walk ka lang. Very, very nice. Wow!
What's that?
It is scary.
Why is too scary?
Too high.
Too high?
Babe, is this ano? Deal? I think this is a deal.
What's your diet? It's not. It's probably something else.
It's not deal. Ang ganda. Ang ganda oh. Another waterfall.
Yes, I see 11.
11?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
That's a lot of waterfalls.
But I already see 6 plus 5.
6 plus 5,
Yes,
which means
11.
11. Good job. There's wild berries here.
Yes, 12 berries. Oh,
Wow.
I see 12.
You can get until 8.
Oh, I see 12. I see 6 plus 6.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
So quiet here.
chair here.
Cherry?
Chair.
Chair?
Yes.
Why, are you tired?
Yes.
Oh no. You wanna rest?
Yes.
Oh, there's a rock in there. You can rest in a rock.
Where?
There, oh.
About chair.
Pagod ng ating anak.
This book.
Yeah, that rock. Oh, sit ikaw there for a bit. He said he is tired. Which understandable.
And I'm so hot.
And you're so hot?
Yeah.
So it's gonna be cold in there. It's gonna be cold in there.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
What is coffee?
That's good. No one have a cold in here.
Mama, I eat some snack.
There, there's a snacks in there.
Yeah. Mom,
Napagod
why
siya.
hard to open?
I'm gonna walk.
Yeah, walk while you're eating. Now I feel so hot.
Just to get my jacket off. Do 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 do.
So very tourist spot talaga siya kasi madaling mag-walk. Ganda. Naming nag-walk ngayon kasi season talaga siya.
What's this one?
Oh, we're gonna go to waterfall Gully Mount Lofty Height. Better not.
3.4 kilometers? Probably not.
Not so far. Let's go back after this. That's the second falls. Ganda. Lapit tayo ng konti. Sabi niya, gusto niyang pumunta doon. Eh, dangerous nga dyan, oh. Pinagbigyan. Oh, outdoor boys daw, outdoor boys.
It's upside down.
One more.
One more.
Ganda magpahinga dito. May pataas pa doon. But I don't think we will gonna be there because it's 3.5 kilometers. And this little...
3.5 kilometers, but yeah, I mean, he's gonna get tired.
You were gonna get tired and then going back 6.67. So better not to walk in there. Besides, I don't wanna walk that far.
Nice.
You enjoying it, Finn?
Yes.
Yeah?
What's the waterfall? Wow.
Wow! Pabalik na kami. Because if we're gonna go to the other up there, it's too far away. And this little human being can't walk that far. So, better to go back. Ganito yung babalik. Ganda. Thank you, babe. Because I've been eyeing this one to go. But it always postponed because it's raining or too far away or busy. There's a lot of things to do or lazy to go. At last, we have time to go. Ganda, oh. Ganda. Ganda talaga. Ang sarap pakinggan ng agos ng tubig. At puro pagkain na lang. Talaga naman.
So far, like, we didn't go
I'm
far.
on the top of the world. Ganda din.
Have you?
Someone is so tired already.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yay! Yay! I just realized, babe. They're closing pala this one.
There's one?
They're closing it.
Very close.
There's a gate, oh.
What they closing?
There's a gate on it.
Why? Why does the gate on it?
Fire, oh. Which is, ano? Yeah, fair enough. Madilim siya. Hala ka, palubat na ako. At ito na naman ang pinakagusto ko sa lahat. Ang ganda-ganda talaga dito. So pretty this one, oh.
Just too dark.
But it's okay. Are you hungry? Let's check it out. That,
This one?
Kita niyo yung that one. Ito lang kami sa taas. Mag-brunch na kasi hindi kami kumain.
Waterfall.
Diretso kami dito. Pag gising namin, diretso na. So, kumain kami. With my family.
It's ready. It's ready 2:56.
That's correct. Good job. That's called brunch board here. That's our food.
Out of my fish and chips.
That's our fish and chips.
Yeah.
Let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Begin. If you're going to Gully Falls,
We're here, Water Gully Fall.
try this restaurant upstairs. Sarap. If you don't know what you get, just get the brunch board. They're serving it until 9 to 4 p.m. So yummy. And I ordered my son fish and chips for kids.
I love fish and chips.
We have a apple juice too. Let me just ask.
What apple juice?
Hi, sorry. His apple juice.
Apple juice?
Yeah. Thank you. And I noticed as well, they're using a coconut oil to fry things.
Solid but mushroom.
Mm-hmm.
Swak.
Sarap.
Good.
Good. Sure the mushroom. Grabe naman kalaki itong mushroom na to.
I like fish and chips.
No, no. No? This is your We'll eat fast. Guys, I will just gonna enjoy my food.
Huh?
Kapraw.
Wow.
Laki. Oo, nag-aantay siya ng pagkain, no?
Wow.
I just wanna tell you something. If you come here, just go
I
inside.
see the wow in the
It's a bit
TV.
cold here because probably it's winter.
But after
food's gonna get
winter,
cold
then
very
springtime.
So, yes. We are done.
Okay, bye.
Yes.
Ito nyo naman. Tapos ang laban. Finish. Let's go home. Grabe ang lamig dito. Huy. Let's go. That's the name of the store. Utopia.
One name.
Ang ganda na house. Sarap siya. Nag-iisang restaurant lang dito. So, if you're going to Gully Falls, try that one out.
What water gully?
Uwi na.
I think we spend more time eating than we spend more.
More walking. Sarap naman po. Masarap to eat after you walk. Did you enjoy Finn?
Yes.
Yes. You're just so tired, don't you? Are you tired?
Turn
No?
right onto Cooper Place.
I'm not tired.
Oh.
I already rest in the restaurant.
Oh. Thank you, baby. Shut up. If you're walking with the places which is so pretty. We just got here. In fairness, I'm a bit tired. That's all we did. I hope you enjoyed my video for today. Ooh, before that, just wanna show you my mandarin. Diba? It's a lot. It's already okay to eat, but we have a lot of oranges and mandarin in the house because my mother-in-law always brought some stuff. So yes, then that's it for my video for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.